Hello, in this lecture we will learn about parallelism. So parallelism is a part of sentence correction which involves a huge amount of logical thinking. Just by learning a few tricks you can solve each and every question of parallelism right within 50 seconds. To understand, let's go to the basics first. A sentence has two parts, a root phrase and the parallel phrases. Whenever we're talking about a question of parallelism, we will have two parts. We need to correctly identify these two parts. To identify a parallelism question, we have some identification markers like and or, rather than, both and, either or, not only but also. These sentences, when these words when placed between parallel parts or before them give us a hint that this problem can be of parallelism. A master trick to solve every parallelism question is to separate out the root phrase and the parallel phrases and plugging each parallel part with the root phrase and checking if the sentence makes sense. I know it's a lot to absorb right now. Let's understand this by an example. So our example is the clerk was upset by the company's low salary, poor working conditions, and that it did not have enough motivation to grow. The root phrase here is the clerk was upset by the companies. We stop right here. Because we see an and, we can identify that this question can be of parallelism. And now we start to identify the parallel parts. We identify the first parallel part as low salary, the second parallel part as poor working conditions, and the third parallel part as that it did not have enough motivation to grow. Following the master trick, once again, plugging each parallel part with the root phrase, we get first, the clerk was upset by the company's low salary. Makes sense. The clerk was upset by the company's poor working conditions. Makes sense. But now we move on to the third part. The clerk was upset by the companies that it did not have enough motivation to grow. I did not omit even a single word out of that parallel part, and the sentence stops making sense. Clearly, the error is in this part. What do you think would be the correct answer for this? The correct answer would be the clerk was upset by the company's low salary, poor working conditions, and lack of motivation to grow. In this example, when we put lack of motivation to grow here, we get the clerk was upset by the company's lack of motivation to grow, which makes sense. And hence, this is a possible correct answer. Whenever we are solving parallelism questions, we need to plug each every parallel part into the root phrase and then understand, then apply the master trick. This trick works almost every single time. But the main thing that you have to do here is to identify one, the root phrase, second, the parallel phrase. I will see you in the next part. Till then, do practice parallelism from the official guides. It will be really helpful to practice the medium and hard level questions from it. Happy learning.